With this, para ka may built-in studio anywhere you go. Whether you're shooting indoors or outdoors, sobrang laking bagay that you can change the mood, the background, kung kailangan mo ng foreground or background light, kung kailangan mo ng mood light. This is the new Photolex Photography Light. So sobrang daming pwede mong paggamitan nito, whether for your background, kung nagla-live ka or nagpo-podcast. You can actually even use this as your fill light. Pwede mo palitan yung mood mo or yung peg mo. Pwede mo ring i-adjust po yung brightness niya. Pwede mo ring i-zoom in at zoom out yung ilaw. And it also comes with this adapter na pag nilagay mo siya dito, you now have different types of backgrounds. There are 20 shapes for you to choose from. Kaya sigurado na hindi ka mauubusan ng idea dito, especially if you are a photographer or nagsushoot kayo ng mga video, kailangan nyo ng iba't ibang mga moods and feels. Rechargeable nga pala to via USB Type-C. Pwede mong i-mount dito horizontally, pwede rin po vertically. Kaya sobrang dami mo talagang pwedeng paggamitan nito. Kaya kung ikaw ay photographer or content creator, I'm sure you're going to love this. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagkikreate ng content or you're doing photography and you want to have different feels, different pegs, kahit ano